Alright, so I got the WR250R. I recently damaged the B&B Bash Plate, which I've got here. Going over a log, lost balance and damaged the side of it here. So instead of kind of heating it back up and trying to bend it back, I've just got a different one, which is the GYTR Bash Plate, which apparently protects the water pump on the WR a bit better than the B&B. So that's roughly the lineup for the B&B Bash Plate. Now I think it fits a little bit differently because the B&B has these hooks here, which you basically undo these bolts either side, and this will hook into the rear side back here and be secured by, I think it's like a 9mm or an 8mm hex key here on the front. Now, I don't think the GYTR does that. I think it's just secured on by the front here and kind of uses this 45-degree angle to kind of sit the bash plate in, just like that. And then it's secured again by, I think it's a 9mm thread there. But this seems like it might protect the water pump a bit better than the B&B Bash Plate. So we'll chuck it on and see which is a bit better. Both obviously have the oil drainage there, so that's good. I think this is for different models as well, so I've got the WR250R and I think it's the YZ250, which will fit that one. So let's go fit it up and see what it's like. I do know that the GYTR is a tiny bit heavier, about half a kilo I think, compared to the B&B. The welds on the B&B do feel like they're a bit better. You know, they're very nice and flush when compared to the GYTR. You know, you can run your fingers on it, you can feel the kind of bumps a bit more than the B&B Bash Plate here. So anyway, let's try and get it fitted up and see how we go. So I'll check beforehand. I've got the socket set. It's a, what is it? 1/4 inch. I think it's in at 9mm if I've got the sizing right. So we'll just try and get that in a position where it can just slide in naturally. And we'll verify that's on that side. We'll come right here and just verify that's nice and snug in there as well. So it looks like I might have a bit of bit more protection being snug in there when compared to the B&B, which kind of hooks into this bolt here down below. The oil plug seems to kind of have a big opening there, which is really good. So these bolts, sometimes tricky to find the hole. Bit tricky to see, but you can see it just past the hose in here. There's a bolt coming through. So that one's in. This one should go in fairly straightforward then if that's already lining up. Very simple to install. You know, with this one here, the B&B Bash Plate, that got required, you know, taking these off, which are a decent sized socket. Let's have a look what they are. Eleven 16ths, or a 5/8, yeah, 11/16ths. 11/16ths, or maybe a 17, yeah, 17. 16 don't fit it. Yeah. So with the 17 or 11/16ths to get this bolt out, and because this is the major kind of bolt holding the frame on, you really want to make sure that torque wrench is down to the right Newton meters. So, well, it might be, I don't know which is better, I guess, but anyway, we'll chuck this back on. Just nice and hand tight, don't want to snap these off. Hands up for now at least. And that's it. Simple as that.